On deck behind that should be 102. You're staging. You're staged to warm up. Sergeant Micah Berto from the Ascension Parish Sheriff's Office. You're on stage to warm up on track A. Coming down the back stretch, 3/4 of the way through on track B. As you can see, Master Trooper Scott Spencer. Finishing up was Master Trooper Scott Spencer on track B. Coming to the line, Sergeant Ron Impastato from the St. Tammany Parish Sheriff's Office. Impastato will be riding the expert class today. He's 34 years old. He's on the line. He's waiting on the track judge who's approaching him. He'll get some information from him. He'll give him the green light to twist the throttle, and out the gate he'll go. Folks, if you're a spectator, can I get you to step back off the course, please? If you're just a spectator, I need you to step back off the course. I know everyone wants to take pictures, but you're going to have to use the perimeter and stay around the barrier. It's